Welcome back, Crypto Boy. Subscribe for more crypto learning videos and trading guides every week. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest crypto insights. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about emerging DEX projects, Aster Coin or Aster. If you're searching for the next high potential altcoin that could make waves over the next 5 years, this project is definitely worth your attention. In this video, we'll break down what Aster actually does, explore its future potential, and provide realistic price predictions for 2025 through 2030. Most importantly, we'll discuss whether Aster is worth holding for the long term. Get ready for a comprehensive analysis that covers everything you need to know about this exciting DeFi token. Let's get started. Aster Coin is making headlines as it builds a next-generation decentralized exchange, or DEX, that supports both spot and perpetual trading. What sets Aster apart is its multi-chain compatibility, with a strong focus on the BNB chain. Imagine a platform that combines the best features of Uniswap, DEX, and PancakeSwap, but with even more flexibility and speed. The Aster token itself powers governance, staking, and fee reductions, giving it real utility and the potential to accrue value as trading volume grows. This unique combination of features positions Aster as a serious contender in the DeFi space. What really makes Aster stand out is its blend of features. By supporting both spot and perpetual trading, it appeals to a wide range of traders. Multi-chain interoperability means users aren't limited to just one blockchain, which is a huge advantage in today's fragmented DeFi landscape. The platform's speed and flexibility are designed to meet the needs of both casual and professional traders. All of this is powered by the Aster token, which not only fuels the ecosystem but also provides governance rights and staking rewards. These features could drive significant adoption if executed well. Aster token isn't just another coin, it's the backbone of the Aster ecosystem. Holders can participate in governance, helping to shape the platform's future. Staking Aster allows users to earn rewards, incentivizing long-term holding. Additionally, using Aster for trading on the platform can lead to reduced fees, making it more attractive for active traders. As trading volume increases, the demand for Aster could rise, potentially boosting its price. This utility-driven approach is what gives Aster its value accrual potential, making it more than just a speculative asset. Why is Aster catching the eye of so many investors? For starters, its multi-chain interoperability means it can tap into liquidity and users across several blockchains, not just one. The combination of DEX and perpetual futures trading puts it at the forefront of one of DeFi's fastest-growing sectors. On top of that, Aster has already built a strong early community, which is crucial for any crypto project's long-term success. These factors together create a compelling case for why investors are paying close attention to Aster's development. Aster's ability to operate across multiple blockchains is a game-changer. This feature allows users to trade assets from different chains without needing to leave the platform, making it more convenient and efficient. Multi-chain interoperability also means Aster can attract liquidity from a broader user base, increasing its potential for growth. As more blockchains emerge and DeFi continues to expand, platforms that can bridge these ecosystems will be in high demand. Aster's focus on this capability positions it well for the future. One of the hottest trends in DeFi right now is the combination of decentralized exchanges with perpetual futures trading. Aster is tapping into this niche, which has seen explosive growth in recent years. By offering both spot and perpetual trading, Aster appeals to a wider audience, from casual traders to experienced professionals. This dual approach not only increases trading volume, but also diversifies the platform's revenue stream. If Aster can capture even a small share of this rapidly expanding market, its growth potential could be significant. Strong community is often the backbone of any successful crypto project. Aster has managed to build an engaged and supportive community early on, which bodes well for its future. Community members not only provide liquidity and trading volume but also help spread the word and attract new users. This grassroots support can be a powerful driver of adoption, especially in the competitive DeFi landscape. As Aster continues to grow, maintaining and nurturing this community will be key to its long-term success. No investment is without risks, and Aster is no exception. One of the main concerns is its large token supply. With a maximum supply of 8 billion tokens and 1.6 billion currently circulating, there's potential for significant dilution if new tokens enter the market too quickly. This could put downward pressure on the price, especially if demand doesn't keep up. It's important for investors to monitor token release schedules and understand how supply dynamics might impact long-term value. Aster faces stiff competition from established players like Uniswap, SushiSwap, and DeX. These platforms have already built strong user bases and brand recognition, making it challenging for newcomers to gain traction. Aster will need to differentiate itself through unique features, better user experience, or more attractive incentives to stand out. Investors should keep an eye on how Aster positions itself in this crowded market and whether it can carve out a sustainable niche. Regulatory uncertainty is another major risk for Aster and similar DeFi platforms, especially those offering perpetual futures. Governments and regulators around the world are still figuring out how to approach decentralized finance, and new rules could impact how these platforms operate. Changes in regulation could affect everything from user access to token listings and trading features. Investors should stay informed about regulatory developments and be prepared for potential changes in the DeFi landscape. Let's talk numbers. For 2025, the price prediction for Aster Coin ranges from $1 to $2.30. This forecast assumes conservative growth, with the project gaining steady adoption and increasing trading volume. If Aster can maintain its momentum and continue to attract users, hitting this price range is realistic. However, it's important to remember that crypto markets are volatile, and actual results may vary. Still, this projection gives investors a reasonable target to aim for in the near term. Looking ahead to 2026 and 2027, the price prediction for Aster Coin is between $2.50 and $4.50. This range reflects moderate adoption, with the platform expanding its user base and increasing its share of the DeFi market. If Aster can deliver on its roadmap and continue to innovate, reaching these price levels is possible. As always, market conditions and competition will play a significant role, so investors should stay updated on the project's progress and broader industry trends. The longer term, from 2028 to 2030, the outlook for Aster Coin becomes even more bullish. Price predictions range from $5 to $9 or higher, assuming the project achieves significant adoption and becomes a major player in the DeFi space. If Aster can replicate the success of platforms like PancakeSwap or DYDX, a 5x to 10x return by 2030 is within reach. Of course, this scenario depends on continued growth, innovation, and market acceptance. A bullish scenario: Aster Coin could see explosive growth if it gains traction similar to PancakeSwap or DYDX. This would mean a substantial increase in trading volume, user adoption, and overall market presence. Such growth could drive the price up by 5x to 10x by 2030, rewarding early investors. However, achieving this level of success requires flawless execution, strong partnerships, and continued innovation. It's an exciting possibility, but not without its challenges. The flip side: if Aster fails to gain widespread adoption or faces setbacks from competition or regulation, its price could remain below $1. This bearish scenario highlights the importance of managing risk and not overexposing your portfolio to any single asset. Crypto markets are unpredictable, and even promising projects can struggle. Always consider both the upside and downside before making investment decisions. If you're considering holding Aster Coin for the next 5 years, a disciplined strategy is essential. First, keep Aster as a small portion of your portfolio, daily 5 to 10%. This helps manage risk while still allowing for upside potential. Use dollar cost averaging to build your position gradually, reducing the impact of market volatility. Track key roadmap milestones, total value locked (TVL), and partnerships to stay informed about the project's progress. Finally, set profit targets and be ready to reevaluate your position if Aster underperforms. Investing in high-risk, high-reward assets like Aster Coin, portfolio allocation is crucial. Limiting your exposure to 5–10% of your total holdings helps protect against major losses if things don't go as planned. This approach allows you to benefit from potential upside without jeopardizing your overall financial health. Diversification remains one of the most effective strategies for managing risk in the volatile world of crypto investing. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, is a proven strategy for reducing the impact of market volatility. By investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, you avoid trying to time the market and smooth out your entry price over time. This approach is especially useful for volatile assets like Aster Coin, where prices can swing dramatically. DCA helps you stay disciplined and focused on your long-term investment goals. Keeping an eye on Aster's roadmap and total value locked (TVL) is essential for evaluating its progress. Roadmap milestones indicate whether the project is delivering on its promises, while TVL reflects the amount of capital committed to the platform. Both metrics provide valuable insights into Aster's growth and adoption. Regularly reviewing these indicators can help you make informed decisions about your investment. Setting clear profit targets is a smart way to manage your investment in Aster Coin. Consider aiming for price points like $6 to $10 based on your risk tolerance and market outlook. Having predefined exit points helps you lock in gains and avoid emotional decision-making. If Aster underperforms or market conditions change, be prepared to reevaluate your position and adjust your strategy as needed. Investing in projects like Aster Coin requires a long-term mindset. The crypto market is known for its volatility, and prices can swing wildly in the short term. By focusing on the fundamentals and sticking to your strategy, you can ride out the ups and downs. Patience and discipline are key to maximizing your chances of success in the world of DeFi investing. Aster's roadmap includes several important milestones that could drive future growth. These may include new feature launches, partnerships, and integrations with other blockchains. Each milestone represents a step forward in the project's development and can have a positive impact on user adoption and token value. Staying informed about upcoming roadmap events is a great way to anticipate potential price movements. Strategic partnerships are vital for Aster's long-term success. Collaborations with other projects, exchanges, or DeFi protocols can expand Aster's reach and bring in new users. These partnerships often lead to increased liquidity, more trading pairs, and greater overall utility for the Aster token. Watching how Aster grows its ecosystem can provide valuable clues about its future potential. Total value locked, or TVL, is a key metric for any DeFi project. It measures the amount of capital users have committed to the platform, reflecting trust and adoption. A rising TVL often signals growing confidence in the project and can attract even more users and liquidity. For Aster, tracking TVL over time will be crucial for assessing its health and long-term prospects. Knowing when to take profits is just as important as knowing when to invest. Setting clear profit targets such as $6 to $10 for Aster Coin helps you avoid emotional decisions and lock in gains. Consider using a tiered approach, selling portions of your holdings at different price levels. This strategy allows you to capture profits while still maintaining exposure to potential upside. It's important to regularly reevaluate your investment in Aster Coin. If the project underperforms or fails to meet key milestones, don't hesitate to adjust your position. Staying flexible and responsive to new information is essential in the fast-moving world of crypto. By reviewing your holdings periodically, you can make informed decisions and protect your capital. Aster Coin is a classic example of a high-risk, high-reward investment. While the potential upside is significant, there are also considerable risks, including competition, regulatory uncertainty, and token supply concerns. Balancing these factors is key to making smart investment decisions. Always weigh the potential rewards against the risks before committing your capital. No matter how promising a project looks, it's essential to do your own research or DYOR. Take the time to read the white paper, follow project updates, and understand the risks involved. Relying solely on predictions or hype can lead to costly mistakes. Informed investors are better equipped to navigate the ups and downs of the crypto market and make decisions that align with their goals. Responsible investing is about more than just chasing gains. It means understanding your risk tolerance, setting realistic expectations, and never investing more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market can be unpredictable, and even the most promising projects can face setbacks. By investing responsibly, you protect yourself from unnecessary stress and financial hardship. Aster's main competitors include Uniswap, SushiSwap, and DYDX. Each of these platforms has its own strengths and weaknesses. Aster aims to differentiate itself through multi-chain compatibility, faster transactions, and a focus on both spot and perpetual trading. Understanding how Aster stacks up against its rivals can help you assess its long-term potential and identify areas where it might have an edge. Aster's support for both spot and perpetual trading is a major selling point. Spot trading involves buying and selling assets for immediate settlement, while perpetual trading allows users to speculate on price movements without owning the underlying asset. By offering both options, Aster caters to a broader range of traders and increases its potential user base. This versatility could be a key driver of future growth. Governance is a critical aspect of any DeFi project. With Aster, token holders can participate in key decisions that shape the platform's future. This decentralized approach empowers the community and ensures that the project evolves in line with user interests. Active governance can also help Aster adapt to changing market conditions and stay competitive. Staking is another way Aster incentivizes long-term holding. By locking up Aster tokens, users can earn rewards which help secure the network and align interests between the project and its supporters. Staking can also reduce circulating supply, potentially supporting price growth. Understanding how staking works is important for anyone considering a long-term investment in Aster. Using Aster tokens for trading on the Aster platform can lead to reduced fees. This incentive encourages more users to hold and use the token, increasing its utility and demand. Lower trading fees can also attract higher trading volumes, benefiting both the platform and its users. Fee reductions are a practical way to drive adoption and add value to the Aster token. Liquidity and trading volume are vital for any exchange. High liquidity ensures smooth trading and tight spreads, while strong trading volume attracts more users and increases platform revenue. For Aster, building and maintaining liquidity will be essential for long-term success. Investors should monitor these metrics to gauge the platform's health and growth potential. Ultimately, Aster's success will depend on its ability to attract and retain users. Adoption drives trading volume, liquidity, and token demand, all of which contribute to price growth. The team's ability to execute on its vision, deliver new features, and build partnerships will be critical. Keeping an eye on user growth and platform adoption is essential for evaluating Aster's long-term prospects. Crypto market is known for its extreme volatility. Prices can swing dramatically in short periods, creating both opportunities and risks. For Aster Coin, this means that price predictions are always subject to change based on market sentiment, news, and broader economic factors. Staying informed and maintaining a long-term perspective can help you navigate these ups and downs. Regulation is an ever-present factor in the crypto world. Changes in laws or enforcement can have a major impact on DeFi projects like Aster. Staying up to date with regulatory developments is crucial for investors. Being proactive and adaptable can help you respond to changes and protect your investment. Active community engagement is a hallmark of successful crypto projects. Aster's team regularly interacts with users, gathers feedback, and incorporates suggestions into the platform's development. This two-way communication helps build trust and loyalty, which are essential for long-term growth. Engaged communities also help spread awareness and attract new users. The crypto landscape evolves rapidly, with new developments happening almost daily. Staying informed about Aster's progress, industry news, and market trends is vital for making smart investment decisions. Follow official channels, read updates, and participate in community discussions to keep your knowledge up to date. Looking at the history of other DeFi projects can provide valuable lessons for Aster investors. Many successful platforms faced early challenges but overcame them through innovation and community support. By studying past trends and outcomes, you can better anticipate potential risks and opportunities for Aster Coin. Recap: Aster Coin is an ambitious DeFi project aiming to revolutionize decentralized trading with multi-chain support and a focus on both spot and perpetual markets. While the potential rewards are significant, so are the risks. By understanding the project's features, risks, and price predictions, you can make more informed investment decisions. Remember to diversify, stay updated, and invest responsibly. Aster Coin represents a high-risk, high-reward opportunity in the rapidly evolving DeFi sector. If the team executes well and the platform gains traction, the next 5 years could be transformative. However, always do your own research and invest responsibly. The crypto market is full of surprises, so staying informed and disciplined is your best strategy for long-term success. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into Aster Coin's price prediction and long-term potential. We hope this analysis has given you valuable insights into the project and helped you better understand the opportunities and risks involved. Stay tuned for more crypto content and remember to keep learning and investing wisely. Until next time, take care and happy investing.